Guys, I'm here right now in Auckland Airport. I'll be traveling to Rarotonga, Cook Island. It's my first time there and I'm so excited. Groceries muna ako ng water before going to the hotel. So guys, we're going to the hotel now. It's really peaceful here and the air is so fresh. I think I'm gonna like it here. By the way, nag-stop over pala kami sa groceries just to get me water. And binili ako na rin ng water si mama. Hatid niya ako sa accommodation ko. So guys, this is my room in my hotel. Look at that. The toilet, they have the sink, the safe, little refrigerator, minibar, microwave. They also have, what do you call that, washing machine. I can wash my clothes. This one. And this is the view outside. Let's see if we can get out. And that is... This is my view. This is my terrace. Those are the villas. Reception. Rooms. Bungalow. According to my booking, my room is in beachside, but they didn't give me the beachside the beachside room. And also, I find the people here, they're not really that nice. And then, almost nobody helped me with my luggage. But I asked them if someone can, help me. They're not really that friendly. Thank you. So guys, this is the beach. It's white sands. And this is the pool. So, yeah. Guys, this is so hot here. Here. Sanctuary. So guys, this is the famous Rarotongan Lagunarium. Tignan nyo naman ang waves, masyadong malakas, maganda yung water, clear, my guests. And then yung sand niya, hindi siya katulad ng sand ng Boracay na pinong-pino, the white sand nga siya, pero may mga pebbles. And then may kumakanta etong aming Polynesian na singer, pero yun lang, hindi siya katulad talaga ng Boracay na pupunta ka kahit wala kang plano. Then after that, you were gonna go out, you were gonna check the sunset, and then after that, pwede ka nang mag dinner, mag lunch, mag breakfast, kung saan saan, mag snacks, mag groceries, and then pwede ka rin mag book ng sarili mong tour wherever you want. But here, no, masyadong limited lang dito sa resort ko. Eto lang, kanta lang, and then masyadong malalayo yung mga resort dito that I cannot seem to go kasi parang hindi, wala talaga siyang magawa. For honeymooners lang talaga to. So guys, I'm here right now in the Lagunarium. Time check, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. So bale, nagbakasyon ako, I arrived in Sydney February 15. Umalis ako sa US ng February 13 and I arrived in Sydney mga February 15 na, and then hop off, and then I went to go check in, and then first day namin, second day was sea days, and third day namin we went to Melbourne na na-meet ko yung pinsan ko, and then another sea day, then we I think 1 or 2, and then we went to Hobart, Tasmania, na kung saan ay first time ko at napakaganda. So yun nga, nakapag-shopping ako dun ng medyo madami-dami. And then after that, another like 2 days or 3 even to reach the Milford Sound or yung tinatawag na Fiordlands. And then we went to Dunedin, and then Christchurch, and then after that we went to Taronga, and then Bay of Island, and then Auckland, where I did my overnight, and then I flew all the way here in Taronga. So I left Auckland March 1st around mga 2 na, mga late na kasi kami nakaalis, and then I arrived here in Rarotonga, or Raro na tinatawag nila, around siguro mga 2 February 28. So bumalik ako sa past, guys. So nag-check-in, and then mukha siyang Pilipinas, pero yung mga famous Lagunarium nila, like this one, Rarotonga Lagunarium, ito lang talaga ang makikita mo dito. So after the check-in, nag-ayos-ayos, and then I really wanted to book yung yung parang barbecue or snorkel cruise nila. Though galing na ako sa cruise, sarado na. So wala sila yung katulad ng Boracay na sa gilid pa lang ng beach ay marami ka nang makikitang mga nagtitinda ng tours, marami makikitang restaurants and all that. Parang resort lang talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung, I think this is a private resort, guys, pero maganda pa rin talaga ang yung sa Boracay natin kasi compact. And then, mas open to the public here kasi hindi masyado. And then, I think mas maganda, mas marami yung stores natin doon compared dito. And puro bata yung nagsiswimming sa swimming pool. And this is the only beach that they have, guys. If you can see, ayan lang. Ayan, that's the only beach that they have for now. And kita mo walang tao. So, basically, pang lang talaga siya, pang bakasyon lang talaga. So hindi naman ako kasi talaga sanay magbakasyon ng yung kunyari quiet kasi always on the go naman kasi ako. So I really don't know, bukas babalik ako sa reception kung mabubook ba nila yung aking tour, and yung isa pang tour, yung cultural tour, and we'll see. Kung hindi, then I'll just maybe like walk around. Pero guys, eto water, napakaganda ng tubig kasi hindi siya malamig. Though, ang alam ko pagdating doon, medyo malalim na. And masyado malakas yung waves doon. So basically, guys, this is the Pacific Ocean. And I don't know kung makaka-copyright ako sa kanta. So, yeah. So this is the sky. And sunset na. Lumabog na yung araw. It's already like 6:30. And then, yeah, that's it. And I think, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow na lang. Guys, time check, it's 7 o'clock, and wala ka talagang magawa dito, guys. Look at that, yung mga sasakyan, wala lang establishment. So naghahanap ako kahit groceries, wala din. So I don't really know what to do. Ito guys, hinatid ako ni Kuya. Filipino pala, akala ko Polynesian. Ang may-ari daw nito nasa New Zealand, pero tignan natin kasi Asian daw ito eh.